What if your power bank didn't just charge your phone, but also lit up to talk to you? Imagine a battery pack that looks like a piece of art, glows with information, and charges your phone to 50% before you can even finish your coffee. Well, nothing almost made it. And this concept from designers Sri Nikesh and Kali Hitesh might just bring it back. Nothing entered the tech world with a refreshing approach that many big brands avoided. Carl Pei had a crystal clear vision for the company, and it clicked instantly with the tech community, breathing new energy into a market that felt predictable. The journey began with the Ear One earbuds, followed by the bold leap into the competitive smartphone scene with the Phone 1. 3 years later, the Nothing Phone 3 now stands as a serious challenger to both long-standing giants and rising competitors eager to capture market share. By the way, do you own a Nothing Phone? Which one is it? Let us know in the comments. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Somewhere in this journey, Nothing quietly worked on a power bank project. It never made it to the shelves because early prototypes had durability issues. They were prone to cracking if dropped. Even so, the idea refused to die. The design community kept imagining what a Nothing power bank could look like, and recently, designers Sri Nikesh and Kali Hitesh brought the vision back into the spotlight with a new concept. The Phone 1 turned heads with its Glyph interface, a unique blend of aesthetics and functionality. While the more recent Phone 3 leans toward a conventional look, this powerbank concept keeps the original Glyph spirit alive, inspired by Nothing's early design DNA. The philosophy is simple yet powerful. Good design isn't just about how it looks, it's about how it makes you feel. This imagined Nothing Power 1 has a sleek, minimal form, transparent layers, and bold light patterns that interact with you. The concept borrows the circuit-inspired style of the Phone 1, with every light having a purpose, from showing battery levels to relaying notifications when paired with your phone. The Glyph interface here turns light into meaningful information, indicating charging progress and even syncing with your smartphone for alerts. Powering it all is a massive 20,000 mAh battery, capable of charging most smartphones at least 3 times. And with 65 watts U fast charging, it could take your phone to 50% in under 20 minutes. If Nothing ever brings this concept to life, it could be more than just a power bank. It could be the perfect mix of design, performance, and personality in your pocket. So here's the real question. If Nothing actually launched this power bank, would it just be another cool gadget? Or could it completely change how we think about charging on the go? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.